Corporate culture for beginners, how to stand out in your first role. Entering the corporate world for the first time can feel like stepping into a whole new universe. Beyond the job description, you'll find company values, office norms, unwritten rules, and a complex ecosystem of people all working toward common goals. This is corporate culture. Understanding it and finding your place within it can help you stand out and succeed in your first role. Here's a guide on how to navigate corporate culture and make a positive impression right from the start. 1. Get to know the company's mission and values. Every company has a unique mission, vision, and set of core values that guide its operations. These elements shape how decisions are made and how employees are expected to behave. Tip: take the time to read about your company's mission and values. Aligning your work ethic with these values will not only help you fit in, but also show that you're committed to the company's long-term goals. 2. Observe and adapt to workplace norms. Corporate culture also includes the day-to-day behaviors and expectations in the office. Is the dress code formal or more casual? Are meetings structured or informal? Do employees communicate through emails, Slack, or in person? Observing these norms will help you adapt and avoid sticking out for the wrong reasons. Tip: in your first few weeks, focus on observing how things are done. Whether it's communication style, meeting etiquette, or dress code, following the lead of more seasoned employees can help you blend in. 3. Be proactive, not reactive. A great way to stand out in your first role is by showing initiative. Whether it's volunteering for projects, offering to help a colleague, or suggesting improvements, being proactive demonstrates your enthusiasm and commitment to contributing to the team's success. Tip: don't wait for tasks to be assigned. Look for ways to add value, even if it's small. Just make sure you manage your workload effectively and don't overcommit. 4. Be a team player. Corporate culture is often centered around collaboration. Your success will be tied to how well you work with others, whether it's your immediate team, other departments, or leadership. Tip: show that you value teamwork by being dependable, helping out when needed, and giving credit where it's due. When others know they can count on you, it strengthens your reputation as a reliable and supportive colleague. 5. Practice effective communication. How you communicate with your coworkers and supervisors is a major part of corporate culture. Being clear, concise, and professional in your emails and conversations will help you establish strong relationships and avoid misunderstandings. Tip: be mindful of the tone and format of your communications. If you're unsure of how to address someone or approach a situation, err on the side of professionalism until you get a better feel for the office dynamics. 6. Accept feedback and apply it. Constructive feedback is crucial to your growth in any corporate role. Being open to feedback and showing that you can apply it effectively will demonstrate that you're eager to learn and improve. Tip: seek out feedback regularly and don't be defensive when it's given. Embrace it as an opportunity to sharpen your skills and prove your adaptability. 7. Cultivate positive relationships. In the corporate world, relationships matter. Building connections with your colleagues, even those outside your immediate team, can lead to opportunities for collaboration and mentorship. Tip: get to know your coworkers on a professional level. Engage in small talk in common areas, attend company events, and be friendly and approachable. Just remember to keep it professional, even in casual settings. 8. Demonstrate a strong work ethic. Corporate culture rewards hard work and dedication. Consistently showing up on time, meeting deadlines, and going the extra mile when needed will set you apart from those who do the bare minimum. Tip: your actions speak louder than words. Show that you're committed to the company's success through your efforts, and your contributions will not go unnoticed. 9. Embrace the company's unique culture. Every company has its own quirks, traditions, and way of doing things. While some aspects of corporate culture may seem unusual at first, embracing them can help you integrate more smoothly. Tip: whether it's a weekly happy hour, an annual volunteer day, or quirky team-building exercises, participate with an open mind. These activities often serve to strengthen team cohesion and company loyalty. 10. Be yourself within professional boundaries. While fitting in with the corporate culture is important, it's equally crucial to be authentic. Companies appreciate employees who bring their unique perspectives, about creativity and personalities to the table. Just make sure you remain professional while expressing yourself. Tip: don't try to mimic others to fit in. Instead, find ways to contribute to the culture while staying true to your strengths and interests. Over time, your authenticity will shine through and become part of your value to the team. Standing out in your first corporate role is about more than just doing your job well. It's about understanding and adapting to the company's culture, showing initiative, building strong relationships, and staying true to yourself. By observing how things are done, communicating effectively, and embracing opportunities for growth, you can make a lasting impression and set the foundation for a successful career. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.